Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Android Studio and required SDKs. Once done, open Activity Layout and add a Videoview element with a clear ID. This gives you a UI target. Then, in your activity or fragment, obtain the Videoview via Find View by ID so you can control playback. You also set up permissions now, declare Internet for streaming or read external storage for local files, because missing permissions cause silent failure. This gets you into the code quickly and prepares the app for the next integration steps. Now configure playback. Create a URI for the media source using URI. Parse for remote URLs or URI. From file for local files, and call set video URI so Videoview knows what to play. Next, attach a media controller and call set media controller, then set anchor view to provide place/pause UI. Make sure you prepare for lifecycle changes. Call start when visible, pause on pause, and consider stopping and releasing in on destroy. These steps ensure consistent playback and prevent resource leaks during navigation. Finish by testing playback across devices and Android versions. Confirm your video format is supported. MP4 with H.264 is safest. Once done, add event listeners. Set on prepared listener to auto-start or adjust buffering, and set on error listener to capture failures and show a user-friendly message. If the Videoview fails on certain streams, make sure to check network policies and try an alternate player. A key troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, switch to Exo Player. It's more robust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.